Hey guys, busy day at the restore. These 3 matching hunters came in. Since they're older, I said that on the sign, and hopefully somebody will buy them. This Encon Casanova Deluxe is still here. Those 2 are still here. Craftmade's still here. This Laguna came in today, 15 bucks. Craftmade. Oh, we got a space for one up here. These heritages are probably going to get carted out. Show you what else. I'm putting signs on everything. Design House still here. This Hunter's still here. Littleton's still here. Oh, I should have gone around the other way. Newtone's still here, low profile. Everything that was here on this section is probably still pretty much still here. Over here, Minka's still here, probably only because it's hidden. I'll have to move it next time I get a space. These 2 are still here, and I can't believe this one is. Hunter's still here, although guys said he's going to come back for tomorrow. Quorum. All of these are pretty much still here. Encon's still here. Quorum. This came in today. I'm assuming it's an Encon, but I don't know for sure. Emerson's still here. And this Sonica came in today. Okay. Thanks for watching.